Hello friend, welcome to Take Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 oldest national parks in the US. So let's start my video. Summary. Yellowstone National Park, founded in 1872, is the oldest and largest national park in the US, known for its abundant wildlife and thermal formations. Sequoia National Park, established in 1890, is home to over 8,000 closets trees, including specimens over 3,000 year old. Yosemite National Park, founded in 1890, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its challenging hikes, breathtaking views, and preservation of national and cultural landmarks. The US has a long history of national parks spanning as long ago as 1872 uh, as recently as 2020, resulting in the 63 parks we know today. Will age into everything how and why a park is established as a national park says a lot about both its ecological and national cultural importance. From Yellowstone, the world's first national park, famous for its hot springs, amazing caves, and other national attractions, to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, home to two of the world's most active volcanoes. Get ready to dive into nature and history with this list of the 10 oldest national parks in the US. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, Hawaii, founded in 1960. How to home to two of the most active volcanoes in the world, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park offers visitors unique opportunities like hiking across a lava-filled Mauna Loa is the world's largest volcano, while Kilauea is the state's youngest yet the world most active volcano. As the country's 10th oldest national park, was established to protect the volcanoes and the land they shaped, as well as native Hawaiian nature. Size 520 square miles. Cost of entry $15 per person or $30 per vehicle. Top attractions: Kilauea and Mauna Loa volcanoes. Popular hiking trails: Clio Iki and Caterer Rime Trail. Rocky Mountain National Park, Colorado, founded in 1915. From picturesque mountain views to sparkling lakes, Rocky Mountain National Park ranges in elevation levels up to 14 to 59 feet above sea level. Because of this, one of the park's most popular attraction, Trail Bridge Road, tops the list of the highest continuous paved road in the country, running through the heart of the park and offering beautiful landscape and wildlife views. Like many US national parks, Rocky Mountain was named a national park in an attempt to preserve the national beauty of the land. Size 415 square miles. Cost of entry $50 per person or $30 per vehicle. Top attractions: Trail Bridge Road and Bear Lake. Popular hiking trails: Emerald Lake Trail, Glacier Glacier National Park, Montana, founded in 1910. Glacier National Park is often grouped with Waterton Lakes, Canada's fourth national park, as the two parks together comprise the world's first international peace park. The national park was established over a century ago to protect the home of several rare and endangered species including Lexian and grizzly bears instantly. It's actually somewhat difficult to get up close and personal with a glacier in Glacier National Park as there were only 26 glaciers in the park as of 2015. Size 1583 square miles. Cost of entry $20 per person or $35 per vehicle. Top attraction going to the Sun Road and Grinnell Glacier. Popular hiking trails Avalanche Lake. Tip: a lot of national parks offer lower entry costs during the winter off season to skip the crowds and cave a few bucks. Visit Glacier National Park from November through April to take advantage of reduced entrance fees $15 per person and $25 per vehicle. Mesa Verde National Park, Colorado, founded in 1906. Although Mesa Verde has almost 30 miles of hiking trails, the national park and World Heritage Site remains very well known for its more than 4,700 preserved archaeological sites such as the Cliff Dwellings built by the ancestral Pueblo people located in southwestern Colorado. With the unique national park was established in 1906 by President Theodore Roosevelt to preserve this historic man-made structures. Historic visitors should take note that many of the cultural sites in the park require a ticket for ranger-led tours. Size 82 square miles. Cost of entry $15 per person or $30 per vehicle. Top attraction Clive Place and Balcony House. Popular hiking trails Patrol Thip Point Trail, Wind Cave National Park, South Dakota, founded in 1903. While the Wind Cave National Park is characterized by prairie above ground, beneath the ground is the seventh longest cave in the world with 150 miles of survived passage. Wind Cave covers are unique for their well-formed example of boxwood, a mysterious honeycomb-like cave formation discovered in 1881. This cave became a national park in 1903. Will entry to the park in free tours of the underground caves range from $7 to $45. Size 44 square miles. Cost of entry free. Top attractions Gardens of Eden and National Endurance Tour. Popular hiking trails Ranking Bridge Interpretive Trail. Crater Lake National Park origin founded in 1902. Crater Lake National Park is known for its massive deep blue freshwater lake formed by volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, measuring up to 6 miles wide and 1,943 feet at its deepest point. Crater Lake is the deepest lake in the US and ranks among the deepest lakes in the world. Considered the most beautiful national park in the country, the site was finally recognized in 1902 following the efforts of Williams Gladstone, still a great admirer and advocate of the lake, who helped to map it in the 1880s. Size 286 square miles. Cost of entry $15 per person, $30 per vehicle. Top attraction Crater Lake and Rime Drive. Popular hiking trail Garfield Peak Trail, Mount Rainier National Park, Washington, founded in 1899. Mount Rainier National Park is famous for its name-ask volcano mountain Rainier thro- towering at over 14,400 feet, housing 28 glaciers and serving as the starting place of five major rivers. The peak is even visible from nearby Seattle. However, one of the most beautiful national parks in Washington has a wide variety of activities and views to offer, from the scenic Myrtle Falls to the serene Reflection Lakes. The park was established in 1899 by President MC Kinley, thanks to lobbying focused on the park recreational opportunities, scientific value, and more. Size 369 square miles. Cost of entry $15 per person, $30 per vehicle. Top attraction Mount Rainier and Parasite Valley. Popular hiking trail Skyline Loop. Yosemite Yosemite National Park, California, founded in 1890. Nestled in California, Sierra Nevada mountains, Yosemite National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the third oldest national park in the US, established just one calendar month after its neighbor to the south, and the second oldest park, Sequoia National Park, known for its challenging hikes and climbs, as well as breathtaking views like those of Half Dome and EI Captain. Yosemite was established as a national park to preserve the natural and cultural landmarks within its boundaries. Size 1,200 square miles. Cost of entry $20 per person, $35 per vehicle. Top attraction Half Dome Tunnel, View and Glacier Point. Popular hiking trail Vernal and Nevada Falls via Mist Trail. Suico National Park, California, founded in 1890. Suico National Park is often grouped with its northern neighbor Kings Canyon National Park. Despite the two parks differing terrains, Kings Canyon, established in 1940, is characterized by canyons and waterfalls, while Sequoia, the second oldest national park, is said to have over 8,000 of its colossal namesake trees. The majestic trees, towering between 250 and 300 feet tall, include specimens over 3,000 years old. These trees are the cornerstone of status as a national park. President Benjamin Harrison designed the park in 1890 to safeguard the from logging due to their beauty and longevity. Size 3 and 631 square miles. Cost of entry $20 per person, $35 per vehicle. Top attraction General Sherman Tree and Giant Forest. Popular hiking trail Tocope Falls. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, founded in 1872. As the oldest and one of the largest national parks in the US, Yellowstone National Park is known for its abundance of wildlife, including bears, bison, elk, and more. The West Park is also home to several thermal formations, such as the glacier called Old Faithful and he crested pool. Hot springs. Visitors can hike over 900 miles of trails or go fishing, boating, biking, or camping. Congress named Yellowstone the country's first national park in 1971, following the return of the Hayden expedition from the area. Size 3,472 square miles. Cost of entry $20 per person, $35 per vehicle. Top attraction Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone and Lamar Valley. पॉपुलर हाइकिंग ट्रेल्स, ग्रैंड प्रिस्मेटिक हॉट स्प्रिंग। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही, मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।